my name is Kathy Cooper and today we are making flower party favors. You will need cupcake cups, coffee filters, food coloring, scissors, stapler, glue, a small bowl, water, and some cupcakes or candy. Each petal uses 2 coffee filters. Fold 2 together, fold them again and again and again and again. Start at the top and cut the shape of the petal you like. Take 2 more coffee filters, fold them in half, fold them again and again and again and again. Start in the middle this time and cut the shape of the petal you like. Take 2 more coffee filters, fold them in half, fold them again and again and again. Starting towards the bottom, cut the shape of the petal you like. Pour some water in your bowl, add a whole bunch of drops of food coloring and swirl it around. Dip your flower petals about halfway in your food coloring, place them on a paper plate to dry, and then repeat this process for all 3 flower petals. Open them up to help them dry faster. Once they are dry, start stacking them from largest to smallest to create your beautiful flower. Put a staple right in the center, add a dab of glue to the bottom of a cupcake cup, place it in the center, add a cupcake or some candy, and there you have a totally beautiful flower party favor. Thank you so much for watching. Visit us at www.kathycoopers.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.